بسم الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. Good evening, friends. Today I brought out for you a special thing for you, and you all looking for it, especially for people whom they have websites, Instagram page, web Facebook page, and YouTube themes, everything you want to create or say or talk about your job on internet. So before you create anything on internet, you should create something special about yourself. We call it a logo. So most people in the internet, as you see, we saw all in the internet, they all looking to create a special or professional logo without any subscription, without any subscription, without any payment, without any sending money or waiting people to create that for yourself. So today, sorry, I brought out for you a special application, a premium application for free. You can create your team or you can create your own logo, a business premium logo for free, or as you hear me, for free, yes. So before we start to do something like this, please subscribe on my channel. Please help me to reach 6,000 subscriber, and please help me and put your like and ask me any premium application you're looking for and for free. Okay, let's go to show you this application. I'm going to show you this application. Sorry. Okay, this is our application. Let's open it. So I created a mini logos before. As you saw, I saw on the internet lot of Cs or PHP scripts asking for a subscription, asking for money, asking for, I don't know, payment. You see, this is this interface of this application. So awesome application. For example, your domain or your specialty or your focus fork or focus working. It's about, for example, on Instagram, you can create very beautiful and beautiful posters. You can make a business logo, makeup, everything. This for girls, for people, for boys. As you see, business things. You have a company and you need to create a very professional logo. So as you see, there is many examples, many examples for free. Yes, for free, friends. So sorry, let's back. Just click it on something. Okay, you can create, for example, this an example. For example, we're gonna to try to choose a very beautiful logo, and we can create together, me and you. And please subscribe, as I said before. Okay, as I said, there is many domains, specialties. For example, makeup for a woman, for men, for sure. If you want to create logo, this logo, for example, this logo for woman, you can create with $100, maybe more. The people they create, as you see, professional for sports. Let's try to choose something like this. We can create, okay, for PUBG, for example, people are creating, as you see, I'm gonna show you a logo like this with maybe $200 or maybe 200 euros. As you see, you can create it for free by yourself, just here. Okay, let's modify this or edit this. For example, this woman or man, you can choose anything, as you see. Or if you want to, for example, looking for something, you can look it for her. For example, I'm looking for PUBG or Free Fire, anything PUBG. As you see, PUBG. Let's search. As you see, I found the many logos. You can call yourself or channel as you think. You can choose anything you want. For example, you can call yourself and channel if you are professional, um, gamer, for example. Let's just choose this. Let's put something on it. Let's make it professional more. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel, please, guys. This will help me more. I know you like free things, and I will give you always. And go to my page, you'll find always free keys, free accounts for anything you want there. As you see, this logo, you can make it bigger, smaller. You can make shadow as you anything you want. You can back up, or if you find some issue in your job, as you see, I can back up to the first thing. For example, I can change this text. For example, my name on my channel or my page, or for example, edited text. This ACSNet, we call it as my channel also. Okay, let's choose. Sorry, let's choose a profession name, ACSNet, like my channel. As you see, click yes or next. As you see, put it there. There is many options also for the fence. You can make it, as you see, professional, normal, huge, box, and also you can find also in Arabic. For example, you can download fonts. Also, you click yes. Let's try to download some fonts on Arabic. You can choose also in Japanese and other more language if you want. So just this an example for yourself. You can stay just wanna. You can sit on your phone just for maybe sorry, maybe you can sit on your phone for I don't know, a half hour, maybe 30 minutes. You can create a beautiful and warm and a special logo for yourself. Okay, edit. Let's change this to Arabic. For example, let's call myself Aloe Aladdin. This in Arabic. Let's change it to Arabic. Let's choose the fonts and let's choose Arabic. As you see, let's change it for me. And as you see, okay, I can choose more language, Korean and Japanese. Okay, this is a normal thing. For example, just I'm showing you, friends. I'm not professional in creation these stuffs, but I found this and I want to share this with you. As you see, for example, you can change also the color, make it more. You can change the color. For example, I make it blue or green or red or anything, as you see, friends. Okay, click done. For example, I click shadows for my logo and change the shadows if there is. Yes, because the interface of the wallpaper before or background is black, so you don't see the shadows. Opacity, you can change, make it transparent or no. Rotation, you can turn your logo as you want. AVP, this make your logo longer or smaller or as you want. You 3D stuffs, you can turn your logo as, sorry, go to the 3D. Okay, let's turn it this, let's make it like this. Anything you want. For example, this is just an example. Okay, click is save. For example, the shapes, I wanted something for a professional for myself. Just choose a banners, for example, background for my now objects and try to show you project. For example, weapon or something, symbols, animals, Halloween. For example, for you, this your basics. I don't know what you can to choose, but this very professional thing. As you see, let's do like something like this and make it bigger. For example, like that. I don't know how to do this. Anyway, let's make it borders. Color. I know, because I'm not very, because I saw before. Okay, anyway, if you don't like anything like this, I click just I found it. Customize like this, customize. As you see, make it bigger, or make it plus, or make it smaller, or anything you want. So I will delete this because I don't like it. This is just a simple example. Background, you can choose anything from background. You can make it red, blue, black, but I prefer this black one. I'm gonna show you this. So don't forget to subscribe on my channel, please, friends. Don't forget to share this with your friends. Okay, as you see, it's a very proficient thing. Click save for your logo. You can save it as a JPG or PNG with high quality, transparent. As you see, just transparent. So this logo or this application is exclusive for ACSNet channel. Anyone who will copy this application and take it away to his channel or blog or website, it will tell me about this and I will report your blog or your channel from now. Thank you so much. Just download this application from ACSNet channel. That's all. Because it's free for you. That's all. It's not for selling or for other websites or channels. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit like and the bell and follow me on my page. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.